So in this video, I want to show you my curing rack, and this is for my soaps. And right here, this is my lemon lavender, and this one's been curing for a few weeks. I think it's almost ready. And then I have my peppermint. It's a nice hand soap right here. And then these are for an inn that's here in Barrie. It's called the Reynolds House. It's a beautiful place. I highly recommend stay there if you come into Barrie, Vermont. And then these are some other balsam fir windsong tree soaps. And then this is like another balsam scent. And then right here, these are another balsam fir needle scented soap. And these are little hand soaps. And this one here is a lavender linen, so it has a little bit of blue, has the colors right there. And this is the same as that, the balsam. And then these are the peppermint ones, nice little hand soaps. And so I have them all marked right here, what they are. Balsam cedar, Fraser fir. Takes a little while. These don't take as long, like the full, at least 4 weeks for these because they're thinner. But these right up here, the lemon lavender, you definitely want a full 6 weeks. And then these are the newer ones I just brought in today. And oh man, my car smells so nice on the way up here to the shop. And these are an apple cinnamon. And they came out really nice. I have a video coming up on that if you want to watch that. So I just wanted to show you what I'm up to here at the shop. I'm bringing the soaps in, getting ready to open. And then this is, I just wanted to show you the drying rack for the soaps. All right, thank you for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.